Hi everyone. In this video, let's just do deviation from our lead code problems, and I'm going to explain a concept called disjoint set union, also known as union find algorithm. So, in the next probably 4 to 5 videos, we will cover all the concepts regarding disjoint set unions and union find algorithm, and also some questions as well. So the first question is, what is the disjoint set? So sets that have no common elements are called as disjoint sets, which you may have learned in your math class as well. So for example, here we have a set apple, orange, and mango. So apples cannot be oranges, oranges cannot be mango, and apples can be mangoes as well. So the intersection of all these three sets is 0 or 5. So these are disjoint sets. Now, coming to what is disjoint set union, let us understand this with an example. So, suppose we have this set A, B, C, D, E, and F. So all of them are disjoint, and there are no elements that are common between them. So, to understand disjoint set union, first we'll have to understand what is a leader of a particular set. So leader of the particular set is someone who has a capability of representing the whole set. Um, in in other sense, a leader of a set is an element which that can be used to reach any other element of that set. So it's like the root parent of that particular set. And if you know what are the number of connected, if you know what are connected components, so the the leader of the set uh, is basically the leader of all the connected components of that set. So that's what a leader is. So in this case, we have all these sets which are independent or disjoint. So each set will have only one element that is itself, or one node that is itself. So the leader obviously will be the same element itself. So here for A it's A, for B is B, C C, D is E, D E Z, and F is F. So that's what I've written here. So now let's look at some of the operations, right? So on which can be performed on these discharge sets. So first is union. This is called union find because there are only two operations here, union and find. So union is if two nodes are part of different sets, then we combine them. So union A comma B means we combine A and B in one single set. And the find operation is basically search for the leader of the set or the root parent of the set. For example, if I'll take the same example here, so we have E, which is the elements, and leader. In this case, all are disjoint, so the leader will be itself. So if we do find of A operation, right, so the root parent of A will be A itself. That's find of A. Now we're coming to union. If we do union of A comma B, so basically the whole point is that we have to combine a set so that each set has only one leader. It's like this. So let me explain in the analogy, right? So suppose A is India, okay, B is US, C is UK, Australia, Germany, right? Suppose each set is a country. So now country can have only one PM, right? So it cannot have more than one PM. So maybe for US it might be Biden, for UK it might be someone else, for Australia also one person, for Germany also one person, for India also one person. So in the same way, so the leader of this set and the PM of the country represents the entire country. So that's what is energy of leader. And now, right, so if you're combining two countries, let's say India and US, hypothetically if you're combining these two countries, you cannot have two PMs, right? So there has to be only one PM. So basically, um, that's what happens in union find also. So if you're combining two sets which are distant, then they have to have only one PM. It is they have to have only one leader. So how do we decide the leader rate? So that's something we'll discuss in the further videos. But in this case, let us do one thing. So if you have A and B right here, so if we do find of A, it's A. Find of B. Find basically checks for the leader or root parent. Find of B is B. So now A not equal to B, right? So their PMs are different, prime ministers are different, or the leaders are different. So they belong to different sets. Okay. Now when you're doing union, okay, so B is here, A is here. So we tell B now your leader is A from now. Okay. From after union A comma B, your leader is A. So now right, leader say B says B says okay boss. Okay. Now what happens is B is here, so B starts obeying A, whatever A says. So now B's leader, B's prime minister is A, and this whole thing becomes one set. So that's basically the union operation. Of course, there are more optimizations uh, and yeah, this is just the brute force approach. But let us see all that in the upcoming video. So this was the entire concept. So maybe you can even try doing it for CD as well. Union CD and Union DE that way as well. So we'll look at some examples in the next video, which would be a short one, but it would clear most of your doubts. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you like the video. See you in the next one. Bye.